Oh, damn, that thing rolls pretty good, huh?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right, so picking up a little car. Hoping I'd show more of it inside, but they already started pushing it out. So I'll show it to you in a minute here. They just pulled a pretty decent looking Lincoln LSC out of here, but it was sitting in this building for like 20 years, and the suspension was on the ground, and it's just those cars aren't worth putting that much work into just yet. And it wasn't like a LSC special edition or whatever, but he said he pulled 2 more out here that were nicer than it. They already went to the junkyard, so I kind of missed those, but whatever. It is what it is. I don't need them. I'll show you what I did get though, real quick. I gotta go back in and look around some more and see what else I can find. It's dark in there, it's like super dark. Show you guys this thing real quick. They had it on the windshield. It said it was a Ferrari. There was like a note on the windshield. It said it was a Ferrari. I'm like, that's not a Ferrari. It's not a Ferrari. But show it to you guys real quick. I'm gonna go back inside and finish. What does it see? Ferrari kit car. It says right on there. Pretty cool though. I'll show it to you guys more when I get back. Real cool little car. Doubt it will be a revival because I will never fit in this thing. Like, I ain't gonna fit in there. So I'm gonna go back and look around some more and report back to you guys in a minute here. Well, we're here at Jim's Hoard, because you know I love to hoard stuff, and get a closer look at this bad boy. Yeah, I will never fit in that car. So I don't think there's any hope of me trying to get it to run, because what's the point? Can't actually drive it. So in case you guys didn't know, I am 6'2", 280 pounds. Yeah, I am definitely not gonna fit in this car. But I'll try just for, you know, just like humor everybody. But I assure you, it's not gonna be pretty. I get this thing off the trailer, and well, I guess it's light out here, so we can take a look at it out here so you can see it a little better. This is a Fiberfab. Oh geez, now I can't remember the name of it. Fiberfab. It's not an Avenger. It's gonna come to me. Maybe it is an Avenger. Well, it's a Fiberfab. I can't remember the name of it now. But it's a kit car, obviously. So there are ones of these that have V8s in them. This, however, is not one of them. This has something else in it. I don't know how this opens. Oh, this is open. I don't know how this opens. Maybe it opens on that side. Oh, I can open this at least and show you what's in here. That is not a V8. It's a 6-cylinder. That is a Corvair flat 6. And I mean, I'm assuming it's locked up, but I don't know. It's who knows? Maybe it'll fire right up. I doubt it. There's no carburetors on it. But they did block off the manifold, the passages, so who knows? Maybe it's not stuck. I don't know. Maybe I'll check, maybe I won't. Who knows? Anybody know what these door panels are? They kind of look AMC, but I'm not sure. And I think the glass is marked Volkswagen. I don't know. I think I saw a Volkswagen emblem on the other side there. Hey, it's just what it looked like to me. Yeah, it's a Volkswagen emblem, right? Right there. Yeah. And it's got a Corvair instrument cluster. And I assume those original seats for it. So somebody, the guy that I bought this from and somebody else that was there, I don't know if it was his grandson or son or whatever, they both told me that there's a turbocharger inside this thing. I haven't seen it yet, and I don't know if there's any truth to that. I can't get this open. There's an alternator in there. You see, there's an alternator. There's some piping. I don't see a turbocharger. I don't know how to tell if this was a turbocharged Corvair motor. That would be pretty fun, huh? A little turbo flat six. Oh, that's not gonna open. There's some Halloween decorations in there that I found in the warehouse. It is on a Volkswagen pan. It's on a Volkswagen pan and it's got a Corvair motor. These are actually Krager Mach 1 wheels, or Mach 8, Krager Mach 8 wheels. They're actually kind of hard to find, and I think these are 15s. Oh, they got Goodyear Speedway special tires on them. Those are pretty cool. Yeah, they're 15 inch, so it looked like they're 15 by 10s all the way around, which is pretty cool. Maybe they're 8s, but probably 8.5, 9, something like that. But those wheels are probably worth about what I paid for the whole car. Paid $700 for it, so I know I'm pretty. It's pretty much a steal, you know. But okay, not really, but it's. I won't open all the way as the straps, but it is. I'm pretty sure it's a Volkswagen chassis. I'm pretty sure. Maybe someone's gonna correct me, but I'm pretty sure that's what that is. There's a prop stick right there, but wait until I get it off the trailer. Honestly, it wouldn't be hard to put this on a different chassis with a front engine. I don't know if it's got a, trans tunnel in it or what, but pretty cool. We haven't found any VIN numbers on it, so if I do sell this, it's just going to be no title. May or may not come with a Volkswagen title. Who knows? We'll see. But pretty cool car. I don't know. Maybe I'll attempt and see if this engine's actually free or not. But it's missing a bunch of stuff off the top of it. Like, I don't see any carburetors, and that's a lot of corrosion up there. I don't know if you see that. That's pretty bad. So I wonder if this is Volkswagen Beetle glass. That might make sense. All right, well, I'm gonna get this thing off the trailer, and yeah, it's like 90 degrees out right now. Humid as all hell. I don't know if hell's humid, but see, this looks like metal. It almost looks rust colored, but something just bit me in the leg. All right, something just bit me in the leg. Well, it's fiberglass, I guess. I don't know. But there it is. I guess if you're interested in it, let me know. If I can double my money on it, I'm happy with that. But who knows? Maybe it'll be sold by then. Okay, well, fun story. I'm actually shadow banned on Facebook Marketplace right now. I finally got Facebook to, well, Meta. I got Meta to admit it last night. Been going back and forth with them through messages for the past 2 days. And they said that I have a Sentry ban, S-E-N-T-R-Y, Sentry ban against me. And they can't tell me why, because it was the algorithm that triggered the ban. They also can't tell me how long it is, because the algorithm doesn't cooperate with them and tell them how long these bans are. So so I'm at the mercy of artificial intelligence right now. Yeah, my how much money I make is at the mercy of a computer, a freaking algorithm. This is yeah, AI is the future. Yeah, AI is the future. You basically put your life and your you know, job basically into the hands of algorithm. It's the future. Yeah. So I haven't had a single message since Monday. Today's Saturday. I haven't had a single message about anything. And none of my listings have any views, and it's pretty ridiculous. And everybody said I was just being paranoid. And nope. Nobody can see my listings, so it's pretty aggravating. And whatever bit me in the ankle hurts like hell. I don't know if it was a fly or what, but it really hurts. Oh, there's something else has bit me in the other ankle. That's yeah, this is aggravating. All right, I better keep moving around. I'm gonna get this thing off the trailer and maybe show you guys a little bit more of it. All right, it's off, and I am covered in sweat from head to toe. I stopped sweating about 5 minutes ago. Could be a good sign. Probably isn't. Everybody knows what they're looking at, but I don't know, is that super beetle or regular beetle? I don't know. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's beetle. It's got drums in the front. I assume this thing just used beetle glass, or I don't know. Maybe it's definitely Volkswagen glass. Give you a size comparison why I probably won't fit in it. Look how small it is next to the van. This car is tiny. I mean, it's like, well, if I close this, I gotta try and close this. Hold on. It's like, oh god, a good at least 2 feet shorter in the back. And if I close this, should do anyways. It's at least 2.5 feet shorter in the front. And look at it from, oh geez, it's like 1.5 feet narrower than the van. Everything's tiny. It's so cute though. It's adorable. And I mean, so some good news, I guess. Turns out they weren't lying. This actually is a turbo motor. There is the carburetor, and here's a disassembled turbocharger. So I guess they weren't. Oh, there's the drain fluid or something. I don't know what that is. Oh, there it is. So they weren't lying. This is a turbocharged flat 6. And just to humor you guys, I'm gonna squeeze my sweaty behind into this passenger seat just to show you how well I fit. This could be a very bad idea since I'm here by myself, so if I get stuck, it's on you guys, not me. You guys gotta help me get out. This was a terrible idea. Oh wait, my feet go all the way there though. It's like laying down. It's like a lay down fucking go-kart. Oh wow, look at that. My feet are like, look, I'm completely horizontal, my legs. And I actually fit in here? How? How do I fit in here? You mean to tell me I would actually fit behind that steering wheel? Maybe? I don't know, that's pretty tight. I'm not a small guy. So, oh look, he's got Pioneer cassette deck. That's a $100 piece right there. Yeah, I somehow fit in here. My head's not even hitting the ceiling. How? What kind of trickery is this? How do I fit in this thing? I can't close the door because I won't be able to get out. Oh, I kind of close it. Huh. I actually fit in this thing. It is so cozy. It's like a little go-kart. It's crazy. Actually, you know what it kind of feels like? It kind of feels like a coffin. So I'm gonna roll my butt out of here. Yeah, let's try and get out of here. All right, that was ridiculous getting out. I almost fell on the ground. But yeah, who knows? maybe this thing will still be for sale when the video comes out. If so, I'll make mention of it. But for now, I'm just gonna try and make some cash on it. It is so tiny. I can't believe I fit in there. All right, well, there you have it. Bought myself a Ferrari. It's a Ferrari, right? I don't think it even looks like a Ferrari, does it? I don't know. I can't remember what this thing is now. I gotta look it up. It is a Fiberfab Jamaican. That's what it was, a Fiberfab Jamaican. Now I remember. There you go. It's a Ferrari Jamaican. Ferrari Jamaican. Jamaican Ferrari. Someone's gonna think I'm making fun of some Asian guy. Demonetize my video. I'm just making fun of myself. Well, oh, you guys check this out. Do you see the taillights? They're cut down 65, 66 Mustang taillights. Isn't that cool? They're so cute. It actually looks kind of good that way. But all right, I'm out of here. I'm gonna get in my air-conditioned truck and get the heck out of here. So, thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you again soon.